everyone. Difficult situations and unpleasant circumstances often let us experience some bumps in our life. Out of my personal experience, I want to ask you something. Do some disruptive responses, or rather inappropriate responses, cause any kind of anger, anxiety, sadness, or ill feelings within you? If yes, then we are no different. Today I'm going to discuss certain things which are reflecting some uncontrolled and unwanted emotions which are grounded within our mind, and these are causing nothing but loss to our emotional intelligence, which is important to sustain with. Now, we always should remember one thing, that these uncontrolled or unwanted emotions are momentary, they are temporary, and these are under control of us only. We know how to control them. Is that just that we don't know how to manage that control? Therefore, we need to discuss certain things to combat your unwanted and uncontrolled emotions, which is not only important for middle-aged people like us, for everyone, whether it be a kid, a working professional, a housewife, an old age person, anyone. Now, you have to first and foremost tune your feelings. Learn to tune your feelings. Now, what you mean by tuning your feelings? Suppose you are in a mood to answer somebody's question in XYZ manner, but you have to tune sometimes. It is the requirement. All the times your answer cannot be in one tone. Many times you have to modulate your voice. Many times you need to paraphrase. Many times you need to change your words. Even words do magic. The next would be press a pause button. We go on and on and on. And when we just carry on, when we get carried away, we unwantedly grounded with some fear. And that fear is inappropriate. It has no meaning in our life. So, press a pause button. It will help you to go fearless. I can give you one example. Just imagine a road with lots of bumps, which isn't smooth. Would you be able to drive your car? In a similar fashion, you have to scrape off those fears continuously. Go on scraping off those fears to make the road within your mind smooth, so that you can fill up good emotions, you can fill up positivity within you. The next thing is zoom in and introspect. It's also very important. Introspect yourself. What is causing that fear? What is the element of that fear? Once you get to know the element of that fear, the cause, the root cause, the factor which is causing that fear in your mind, will definitely help you to eradicate it. And then definitely a new, good, positive aura you will start experiencing in your life. The next step would be stop. Know your threshold. When we know our stimulus, that what act as a stimulus to us, what causes that fear, what causes that anxiety, what causes that anger within us, we should always know, we should also know that threshold. We should all know our limits. And who will set that limit? You. And once you do that, it will really become very easy to sail through with some positive emotions, always. Next is recharge yourself. Recharge. Regain that momentum. Rejuvenate yourself. Keep on doing that. It shouldn't be like एक दिन किया, 2 दिन किया, उसके बाद आपने सोचा कि it's not possible, it's not my cup of tea. No, who says? It's your cup. You have to put in the ingredients. You have to make your own tea. Right? And the next step would be detaching yourself from the time consuming and those energy draining activities. And might be, sometimes it could be some people also. It could be some relationships in which you are not, getting that rhythm. You're not finding that desired equation with them. I can give you example here. Example of a mixer grinder. In a mixer grinder, one part of the mixer is always stable and the other part helps in churning speedily. So if we consider our body has to act speedily, actively, smartly, but our mind has to be stabilized. Then only you'll be able to sail through. Then only you will be, gather or cultivate those emotions which are important, not those unwanted, not those uncontrolled. So it is within us. It's our journey. I can relate it. Many a times I am also a mother, a working professional, a middle-aged woman. It's also not easy for me. It's very, very tough. But if I stop myself, nobody will push me up. It should come from within. Each day, each second, you should start realizing that it's for you. Jai Sai Ram. And do not forget to like, subscribe and share for more upcoming videos. Thank you.